All 12 pumps have been set in the stream. Hoses are running up the bank, and the discharge point is 350 feet away. There's a ledge under there. We're taking out that ledge so we can get a good watertight seal with the AquaDam. We got 4 spools of rope laid out. The AquaDam sits on top of it. The AquaDam has been set and rolled into the water. They've got all the hoses laid out, pulled into place by the 8-wheel machine. A lot of hoses, over 80 connections, over 3,000 feet of 10-inch hoses. A 12-foot high AquaDam, 100 feet long, has been placed and ready to inflate with water right after the hoses and pumps get tested. The bypass hoses. Each section of hose is approximately 50 feet long. Couldn't have drugged those hoses in place without this little piece of equipment. The bank has been prepared where we're going to set the AquaDam on both sides of the stream. We're going to add splash mats so that the discharge won't erode the banks or the bottom of the channel. The mats to keep the spray so it doesn't spray over to the far bank and erode it out. We're going to use this mat to protect that bank, so the current of the water coming out of the pumps will hit this mat instead of the earthen bank, which would erode. Bank protection's in place. This is part of the, before we get committed and putting in the AquaDam, we got to get all the bugs out of the bypass system, and this is one of the bugs. The hoses have been inserted into the AquaDam and we're ready to fill. We've got all 4 ropes in, tied down on the bottom, top rope slips. Water's going in. The big hump is air coming out of the first of the hose. There's 4 ropes. 3 of the rope holders are all the way back there so we can take advantage of the metal rings in the wooden mats. The AquaDam's all the way across, touching the other bank. As the 12-foot high AquaDam's filling, we rolled out a 8-foot high AquaDam, 54-foot long, which is going to be the backup. It's going right across there. We're going to slide it in here in just a minute. We've got water going into the 8-foot high dam. The 12-foot high dam is pretty much full. We might put some more water in it later, but right now we're not putting any water in it. We're concentrating on the 8-foot high dam. The 12-foot high dam took approximately an hour and a half to install.
Yes.
Using 2 4-inch pumps, electric. Here's the 8-foot high AquaDam on the downstream side. We had to go around 2 stumps, old trees that were growing on the bank. The bank's eroded out and left 2 stumps, one there and one right on the other side. right in there. We've got some protective dunnage material for knots that were sticking out of it so it wouldn't poke a hole in it. Another view from the upstream side.